الحمد لله رب العالمين وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وآله وصحبه أجمعين. Some of us may have hearts like the hearts of birds, in the sense that the hearts of birds are pure, are clean, are merciful and compassionate. Some of us, I've seen this, they are so merciful that sometimes they can be more merciful for a child that does not belong to them more than the mercy of his own mother. Their hearts are fragile, they're soft. They see something on TV, they start to weep and cry because their hearts are connected with Allah Azza wa Jal. The hearts of true believers are pure. They're empty of any malice, hatred, grudge, envy, transgression. It's pure. And such people will enter Jannah. They have no arrogance. They have no pride. They feel that everyone is better than them for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. The Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, shall I tell you of the people of paradise? They comprise every poor, humble person. And if he, that poor, humble person, swears by Allah to do something, Allah will make it happen. So this poor and humble person is the one who is submissive to Allah Azza wa Jal, has no arrogance over the people, doesn't see himself better than others. He has given up hope in his own power, in his own might, and gave that all to the power and Allah's might. And this is the person whose all of his affairs are on the straight path, following Allah's commands, according to the Quran and to the Sunnah. His heart is free from doubts. It's free from illicit and haram desires and whims. That is why he is qualified big time to enter Allah's paradise. So me and you should ask ourselves, are we, our wives, our children, among those qualified to enter Jannah? Are our hearts similar to the hearts of birds? Our days on this earth are limited, no doubt. We were born to die, and we are heading to our destination. There is nothing stopping us, but it's only a matter of time. When is the angel of death going to approach us? So if we do not purify our hearts and make it to the best of our ability as the hearts of birds, pure, by denouncing evil and vice, by having full trust, reliance and dependence only on Allah Azza wa Jal, by filling our hearts with fear of Allah, fear of hellfire, fear of our sins, by purifying our hearts from malice, from hatred, from racism, from arrogance, from transgression and oppressing others. If we fail miserably in doing all of this, then wallah, we have lost this life and we have lost the hereafter.